Wow guys, this is excavator and now there are many animals. Oh, this is horse, very beautiful horse of white color, and this is cow of white color and black color. Wow, amazing animals. And now this is tractor of green color guys. Let's take it back. Wow, this is very beautiful elephant of orange color and blue color. Wow, amazing elephant. You can see guys, train is laying there. Wow, this animal is running amazing. Now this is four-wheeler vehicle of Spider-Man. Wow, amazing, it's gone. Nice, very nice. Now this is train laying on the track. Oh, this train is running, very beautiful train. Wow, this is small baby. Oh, this is very beautiful fish guys of yellow color. Oh, it is running. Wow, amazing, very nice. Now this is JCB. Let's fill the soil in the truck. Wow, let's fill again. Oh, it fills very less soil in the truck. Now it's been filled with soil. Now let's the truck take ahead. Wow, amazing. Let's going. Amazing, very nice. Oh wow, please like the video guys.